Hey there, Wade Sellers here with you, and in this video we're going to start talking about the basics of operators, and in the following videos I'm going to show you a whole bunch of examples of how you can use these operators. What are operators? Okay, so when it comes to apps, we bring in a bunch of user data, right? We bring in a bunch of data from APIs, and we want to interact with this data in our apps. Operators allow us to interact with data. There's three things that you can use operators for. You can use them when you want to combine data, change data, or compare data. Now check this out. Here is a list of a whole bunch of different operators that we have at our disposal, and this isn't even the full list. If you look at these, I'm sure you've seen a bunch of these operators already in your math classes. When it comes to operators, there are three sort of sections that we put them in, and it has to deal with how many items or variables the operators interact with at one time. So you have unary operators. These interact with one item at once. Then we have binary operators. They interact with two items or two variables at the same time. And then we have ternary operators, and they will interact with three items or three variables all at the same time. In the next videos, we'll talk way more into detail about all of these, but I want to help you get set up here if you want to follow along in the next videos. So I'm going to open up Playgrounds, and if you're on your iPad, it'll look similar. And we're going to create a new Playground book, not an app. So to do that on Mac, you would just go to File, New Book right here. Now on iPad, you'll hit the little New button there at the top right, and you'll choose New Book, okay? So if I do New Book on my Mac, you're just going to see it pop open right here, and here is a new Playground book. And if I just click to enter code, I can start entering code right here. If I want to see the console, I'll click this button right here, and it pops open another pane. And as we start writing in variables and doing things with operators, I'll use print statements. And once I hit the print statement, I'll run my code by clicking this button, and then the results will appear on the right. This will make a whole bunch more sense as we move forward in the next videos. So with that being said, let's dig into operators, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.